All right, this is the Python Papi again, back inside our AI learning agent. This is going to be a follow up to the video I made with the automating of the fast food restaurant. Let's see if I can get that file up and running now that I closed a few other programs that I had running. So I'm going to see if I can get that file running right now so I can show you what happens when we actually try to get the process started of ordering from the menu of a fast food restaurant. And again, we're starting from scratch. I should have started it again sooner before starting the video, but I wanted to make sure I caught everything and didn't skip any steps in the process. So yeah, it looks like it's firing up a lot quicker now. So let's see if it actually goes through. So yeah, and this is the last one I told you that came out had the best output of the all four of them. Show you these first three right here. You can see they're actually labeled. So yeah, this was the last one that I had my agent create, and it came the closest to an actual ordering process, and everything went smoothly. Again, with the mic situation, we weren't able to use the mic, so it did instruct us that we have to enter in our order items manually by typing them in. So let's see here. Looks like it's firing up. So yeah, let's get it going and hopefully it goes through. It's working a lot quicker than it did last time. Now all we needed to do is fire up so we can get it moving, and so I can show you this process. And again, these were all put together with my agent. Okay, system.
Initializing order system. Performing system checks.
Okay,